One of the main ingredients in the Mediterranean kitchen is olive oil. So olive oil will be very important in this concept. Erdal told me about this olive oil. I tried and I was very surprised. It's like, wow, it's really good. We can use everywhere from cooking and salads and finish to the bread. I like the product, but also the story behind is a family connection as well. And 1996 is about family.
It reminds me my family stories, what I hear from my grandmas and stuff. The olive oil is very important, very clean. When you have an olive oil and well presented as well.
Honestly, I use on everywhere. Like I said, this is from cooking to dressing salads to finishing dishes. I definitely recommend the Tabaki Olive Oil to any chef, any restaurants, any home. I think is a great olive oil.